Over 2 lakh crore rupees sits in multi-cap funds right now. But here's the twist. Some balanced funds quietly run close to 50% small caps. In this video, I'll show you how to spot that in just 10 seconds and give you a 3-step risk check before you invest. Most investors never notice this gap until a correction hits. Then the same fund that looked safe starts behaving like a small cap rocket that's suddenly out of fuel. SEBI's rules sound simple: 25% large, 25% mid, 25% small. But the remaining 25%, that's the wild card. That's where fund managers decide whether to play safe or chase glory. Some push small cap exposure near 50%. In a bull run, they shine on every chart. Every influencer talks about them, and new investors rush in. But when volatility hits, they fall first and hardest. What goes up like a rocket can crash like one too. Let's make this real. Take two funds, both called multi-cap. Fund A keeps small caps near 30%. Fund B pushes it to 50%. When markets rallied, Fund B beat Fund A by a mile. But when the correction came, Fund A fell 12%, Fund B crashed 32%. Same category, completely different experience. So, is bold always better? Not really. Some aggressive portfolios outperform. Others with identical exposure underdelivered. Turns out it's not just how bold the bet is, it's how disciplined the process is. Research depth, rebalancing, position limits. That's why higher risk, higher return is only half the story. Now, here's where investors usually go wrong. They see last year's top performer, assume it's diversified, and jump in without checking the cap mix. 6 months later, they are shocked by the swings. So, how do you stay smart? Here's your 10-second risk check, and it works on any multi-cap fund. Step 1. Open the fund's fact sheet or website. Find market cap allocation. Step 2. If small caps exceed 40%, label it high volatility multi-cap. Step 3. Match it with your time horizon. Less than 5 years, avoid high vol multi-caps. 7 years or more and you can handle the ride, then a higher small cap tilt may work for you. Here's why this matters. If a 10 lakh investment drops 30%, you need 43% just to break even. That takes time, sometimes 3 years or more. Your portfolio should let you sleep, not keep you refreshing the NAV every night. So ask yourself, do you want peaceful progress or roller coaster thrill? There's no wrong answer, only a mismatch between temperament and exposure. Because the smartest investors don't chase the boldest funds, they align exposure with clarity and patience. The real wealth builder isn't constant risk taking, it's staying the course while others panic. If this helped you see your portfolio differently, comment risk check below to get the checklist. And watch Small Cap Exposure, 3 numbers that predict pain. It's linked right here on screen. Like, share and subscribe for weekly jargon-free money insights only on Smart Finances with Ajay.